Hello traders, hope you are all doing good. So bloodbath in Dalal Street or bloodbath in the market, and this was in line with our expectation. If you have been following us, I have been telling for the last 1 week FIIs are selling. November, October they have sold for more than 25,000 crores, and October series also they have sold more than 5,000 crores. Just 2 days of buying for around 800 crores, and see what has happened. Very pathetic. Market has gone so much aggressive selling, and even India Week shooted up. Even selling call was not giving anything, giving profit. So that was a kind of hard selling. I think FIIs, FIIs, and people were trolling me, and people were telling you are talking negative. And even one person told me now retailers are the new this thing. Not only that guy, many guy told retailers are now new power in India. They will eat. Eat FIIs and DAIs and go forward. Retailers are going to take the market upside. Where they are going to take one pullback also you cannot sustain. You are talking about 50,000, 30,000. You forget 50,000. Market is not even going to touch 20,000. Look at the crazy valuations, and you still think market will keep on going on the upside. From Corona period to March 2020, we have appreciated. I have told this also. We have appreciated more than 25%. Dow has not appreciated so much. Last 6 months, the Dow US markets are consolidating. It is not moving. Dow futures have not moved. It has been consolidating for more than 6 or 7 months, and you want to keep on moving on the upside. That is not a fair thing to happen, right? So FIAs, we are. That's what I am saying. We are all just jokers. They are playing rummy with retailers. They want one card, they will take the joker card, put and hit rummy. This is what is happening, and see what is the scenario here. What is how much they have sold? They would have sold heavily. Till now, I am not sure they would have got the FII data. FII data would have not yet come, but I'm sure they would have sold heavily. Last week also, last day also, last trading day also, they have sold more than 4,000 crore. The issue was only with Reliance. Reliance, there was a deal with Aramco, and these Ambanis come to AGM meeting and they will tell everything. We have signed deal with Aramco, we have signed deal with Mubadala, we have signed a deal with Tamasik Holdings. Every venture capital, every sovereign wealth fund will come and invest in their company. They will tell they will take the prices high, and suddenly this thing will happen, and see what has happened. Only Reliance is the issue, no? Then why the other stocks are coming down? That is called panic. This is called panic. People are like herds, they go in one direction. If one ship goes in one direction, every ship will go on the same direction. See, I'm not arrogant, I'm just telling casually, you don't mistake me. So this is what is going to happen. And you see the Bank Nifty pack, not a single stock in Bank Nifty pack was performing. If you see the HD banking pack, yeah. In Nifty pack, if you see the Nifty pack, Bharati Airtel was performing. That was because I think they have increased their tariff by 15 or 20%. Apart from that, not a single stock. Asian Paints were performing, JSW Steel, Power Grid Corporation of India, Hindalco. At least 3 or 4 stocks were performing. Apart from that, none of the stocks were performing. And if you see the losers in this one, Nifty pack, Reliance was down by more than 4.5%, and then Bajaj Finance were down by around 5.7%. Oil and Natural Gas Corporation was down by 5%. Bajaj Finserv was down by 4%. Reliance was down by 4.4%. And Reliance is a heavyweight in index Nifty 50, and obviously if Reliance is going, it will drag other index also. And Nifty Bank, as I told you, not a single stock in Nifty Bank was performing. Let me check Nifty Bank 1 second. Okay, it is not coming, but let's forget. But you know the details, right? Nifty Bank, not a single stock in Nifty Bank was performing. HDFC was down. RBL was very badly down. It was down by more than 6 or 7%. And all things, not a single stock. PSU banks were all in the red, not a single green. I was not seeing anything in the any green green in the my terminal. Everything was red. But fortunately, we didn't do any big trades. Like I was shorting the market today morning. We sold some calls. I'm not going to tell I made profit this month. This month alone, Nifty has, last month I was saying Nifty has moved up and down. From 18,600 it came to 18,000, 18,200. It settled somewhere there, I think. So last month itself it moved 1,200 points. Until now Nifty has moved more than 1,000 points. From 17,200, today's low, 17,250 to 18,400. Highest in the higher Nifty's highest point was 18,400 for the November series, and low was today's low, that is 18,400. But what I think, if you see this chart, one day chart, there is a kind of support in this area. Let me show you. There is a kind of support in this area around 17,400 or 17,450 levels. On 1st of October, there was a rejection in this area, and you know what happened. Nifty went to shoot it up to 18,600. Same thing is happening now also. If Nifty is able to sustain this 18,400 or today's low, we might see a rebound, and going forward we may see Nifty inching up slowly. But there are lots of negative news. If you see globally, there is a pandemic in Europe. Austria and German and many European countries have put lockdowns. There are lockdowns in these European countries, many European countries, and that may be a problem. But I don't think this corona issue and all is creating a concern among traders and investors. So going forward, we may see panic. I wouldn't say panic selling. Market may consolidate, and if you see officially, we are in the bear zone. So markets are likely to head on the downside only. I wouldn't say market is going to touch 18,600 or 18,000. See, earlier there was this thing called whenever the market comes down, they buy on dip. Now they sell on rise. When the market goes up, they are selling. You have to change the pattern. And when the market does a U-turn, this is what happens. Many people tend to lose money. If the market moves in one direction, you will be making money. If the market makes U-turn, what you will do? You will have to struggle. See what is happening. Last 2 months, it is trying to reverse. Market is trying to reverse 18,600, 17,200. It is trying to reverse. The trend is trying to change, and it is trying to go on the downward trajectory. So obviously many people would have lost, or many people would have struggled. I am really sorry for that. Even we didn't make any big money because market were very volatile, right? So last month, as I told you, we thought last month was volatile, but this month is much more volatile than October series. So anyway, let us see how things pan out. I don't want to talk much, because I know what is the frustration going and what would have happened today to many of us. Let's see, going forward we should recover all the losses. See, I'm telling you one more thing. There is nothing, I didn't make any loss. Till now I didn't make any loss. Out of all our account, one or two account is only in loss. Apart from that, all our account are flat. We neither made profit nor we made loss. So anyway, only 3 or 2 days more, we will see how much we made or how much loss we made. So losses are inevitable. You cannot avoid the losses. So don't worry about that. If you had lost money, be focused. This is whatever happens is for good only, and we will recover our losses. So thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.